watch in the train.
Very good. The watch is next to the train. Okay, very good. Now, can you please get the frog? Frog? Where is the frog? Okay. Can you put the frog, okay, on the bus? On the bus. Okay, where is the frog?
The frog is on the bus.
Very good. The frog is on the bus. Okay. Now, can you please get the pear? Pear? Where's the pear? Pear. Okay. Can you please put the pear on the lorry? On the lorry? Okay. Where is the pear?
The pig is on the
Lorry. Okay, very good. Now, what is this? What is this? It's a potato.
potato.
Do you like potato? Do you like potato? Yes?
Yes.
Yes. What is the color of potato?
The potato is brown.
Brown. Very good. What is this?
Radio.
It's a
Radio.
radio. What is the color of the radio?
The radio is red.
The radio is
Yellow.
yellow,
Red.
red. Okay, what is this?
Chair.
A chair. What is the color of the chair?
The chair is blue.
Blue. Very good. Now, what is this?
Sun.
What is the color of the sun?
The sun is yellow.
Yellow. Okay, where is the train? Train. Where is the train? Okay, what is the color of the train?
The train is red and red.
Okay. Now, where is the helicopter? Okay, is it big or small? Big or small?
Red.
Big. Very good. What is this?
Lorry.
Lorry. What is the color of the lorry?
The lorry is green.
Okay, green. Now, what are they doing? They are.
They are
They are what?
one.
Oh, they're not. Okay, they are walking. Say they are walking. They're not walking, they are standing. They are standing. Okay, now, what is she doing? What is she doing? She ride a bike. Yes, very good. What is this again? A frog. Are you scared of frog? Are you scared of frog? No, very good. What is this? Watch. Do you like watch? You like watch? Yes or no? Do you like watch? No. Okay, what is this? Pear. Do you like pear? No. Okay.